Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we explore culinary delights that will transport your taste buds straight to paradise. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering dish that's sure to become a family favorite: cheesy beef stuffed potato patties. Let's dive right into this delicious recipe. Heat a pan over medium-high heat, and add a drizzle of vegetable oil. Next, toss in some finely chopped onions and minced garlic. You'll want to sauté them until the onions turn translucent and that irresistible aroma fills your kitchen. Now, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, lean minced beef. Cook it up until it's beautifully browned and irresistibly flavorful. And here comes the burst of color and flavor. Add in some finely diced green bell pepper and red bell pepper to the mix. Next, scoop in some tomato paste and tomato sauce, then add a cup of water. And don't forget to season with salt, black pepper, and thyme. Give it all a good stir to create that rich, savory sauce. To infuse some aromatic goodness, add a sprig of rosemary to the pan, then cover it up and lower the heat to medium-low. We'll let it simmer for 30 minutes, allowing all those flavors to meld and intensify. Let's prepare the fluffy, creamy potato patties. Begin by boiling some water and gently cooking your chopped potatoes until they become tender. Drain the cooked potatoes and transfer them to a large mixing bowl. Now, add an egg yolk, fresh chopped parsley, butter, salt and black pepper. Mash it all together until it's velvety smooth and irresistibly creamy. Using your hands, shape the potato mixture into 6 equally sized patties. It's all coming together beautifully. To create a little well in the middle of each patty, use the bottom of an oiled cup. This will be the perfect spot for our beefy filling. Now, let's bring back that flavorful beef mixture and generously spoon it into each potato patties well. And for that ultimate cheesy, savory touch, top it off with a generous helping of grated cheddar cheese. A sprinkle of thyme on top will add that final burst of freshness. It's time to bring it all together. Now, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop the pan into the preheated oven and let these beauties bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbling and golden brown. And there you have it, our cheesy beef stuffed potato patties are ready to steal the spotlight. It's a flavor explosion you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more heavenly delights. Until next time, keep cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with joy and deliciousness. And always remember, good food brings good mood.